So, today we're going to discuss the letter C. Letter C. This letter, C. Now, sometimes, or C has two different sounds, two different main sounds. It has more, but don't worry about that. Two main sounds. The letter S and the letter K. So C can sound like S, or C can sound like K. S, K. And we know this through one word. One word can help us if we know this word. That word is bicycle. 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 Bicycle has the two C sounds. It has bi, s, I, col. Bicycle. Now, how do we know which one fits where? Well, here's the thing. If the C sounds like an S, it comes before an E, or an I, or a Y. For example, the word city, city, like New York City. It comes before the I, so it's a S sound. Ice, like frozen water or ice skating. Ice, it comes before an E, so it's a S sound. City, ice. Now, what if it's a K sound? Well, usually that means it comes before anything else. So, for example, car, the word car, like an automobile. A car, you drive a car. Or cut, if you cut vegetables, cut an apple and then eat it. Cut. Or confusion or confused. Mr. V, I'm confused. I don't know what you're saying. That's what confusion is, if you don't know something. So that is the difference, how you find out if it's an S or a K sound. The C here comes before a Y, and it's an S if it comes before an E, it's an S if it comes before an E, an I, or a Y. And there's that Y. So it's a S, but it's a K, because this is not an E or an I or a Y. It's letter L. So it's a K sound. Now it's your turn. You're going to look at a word and you're going to say whether or not it's an S sound or a K sound. I'm going to show you two. This top word. Okay, so is this letter an I or an E or a Y? It is. Is it an I? No. Is it an E? No. Is it a Y? No. So it's not an S sound. It's a K sound. Curtain. So what you would do is you would put the letter K next to it. Okay? But this one, What is this word? We've seen this before. Right now, today. Is it an E? No. Is it a Y? No. Is it an I? Yep. So that means that this is an S sound. City. Curtain. City. Curtain. City. You'll see other words that will also be along here. And you are going to make a K or an S next to them to see which sound they are.